Hello guys, in this problem we are going to solve the problem that is farthest number, and it is basically the POTD of problem of the day. And in this problem we are given an array of size n for every element in array. The task is to find the index of farthest element in array to write which is smaller than current element. If no such number exists, then print. So what we are going to do in this that we have to find a number which is smaller than the current number and which must be farthest from it. So how many numbers are there which is lesser than it? That is 1, and then that is 2. So the index of 1 is 1 and the index of 2 is 3. So the farthest element from this element is the index number 3. So we will write, okay, and then we will go to element next. For 1, is there any element after 1 which is smaller than this? There is not an element, so we will print -1. For 5, for 5, is there any element which is smaller than it? That there are two elements, that is 2 and 4. The index number 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So farthest index is 4, so we will write 4. So basically we have to do similarly for all of the elements, right? So I am also noob like you, and I just started coding, and I will follow the naive approach, that is brute force approach. As we grow, we will learn new things and we will do better in coding. So for now, I am doing the naive approach, and I don't know I will be able to get success or I will get it clearly. So let's start. So first of all, we will create a vector of type int. Let me make it zoom. Then then we will start indexing from element. We will traverse the whole array due to size n and I plus plus, and in this array we will go from int j is equal to I plus 1, because we have to search element to the right side to the element. Okay, so we will search from here and we will go till I plus plus. And as we already know that after 4 there is not any element, so we will directly push 1 -1 in the vector, right? So if I am writing the condition, if I is equal to n minus 1, I mean the last element, then we directly push -1 in the vector. Else, if the element is not the last element, then what we will do, we will follow this loop and we will search for it. And initially let's say that our answer is -1, right? That the answer is -1, that is for particular element, right? Like for it the answer is -1, I mean the answer is the smallest element at the farthest distance at right side is -1. Let's suppose, okay, and if it doesn't if we don't get any element, then we directly push the answer into the, right? And now, sorry, I have to run a loop from back side, because we need the farthest distance, so we will start the loop from back of it. So I will start a loop from n minus 1, and j should be greater than equal to I plus 1, right? I plus 1, because like I am here, I am at index this, so I should go to this index only. So like I is here, so j should, they must go to this element, up to this element only. Okay, so I minus minus, if our if array of j is less than array of I, then we will directly say that answer will be that index only, and we will break because we need the farthest element. So the very first element which occur and which is smallest than that current element, then we will say that the index is that, and we will just break. Okay, and after that what we will do, push we will push the index answer in the array in vector. V dot implies back answer, right? So now we will return the vector. We have to return the vector. Return vector. Sorry. So let's handle the first test case. Is we giving me compile time error. Here this one is given expected minus one. Oh, sorry, I didn't write semicolon here. So let's. I am getting runtime error. Why I am getting runtime error? I told you that I am noob in coding, so I I just started the coding. So sorry, I have to write here J because we are traversing J. So let me, what is going to happen? It's taking time because the network is very okay. Okay, we are now getting the right answer. So I am explaining this test case that what. So first of all, initially I was at index I is at 0, and we have to traverse the array from backside. Then I just traverse here. Is it less than 3? No. Then I move to here. Is it less than 3? Yes. It is the very first index, and it is the farthest index that is less than 3. So I will just answer will be J and break. Then I will go to next element. Like this, I will do everything. Now I am fearing that will it give TLE or I will be able to solve the whole test cases. So let's submit it because I am doing N square. So sometimes if we are near, oh, nice. We have cleared all the test cases, and because I am here given is that we you have to solve this into n log n, but I solved it into n square because in the worst case the array may go to the I plus one element. So in the next, that is all about this element, the problem. Hope you like this video, and I already told you that I am noob in coding, and I just started this coding, and it is my first video on my YouTube channel, and you can see that my coding score is 77 because I solved a little questions. It was my first coding, and please subscribe my video, subscribe my channel so that I can grow, and I am noob, and I will grow with you only. So some of you are also noob like me, and they are just at the stage of starting coding like that. Thank you.